everybody, my name is Zoe.
And I am Jared.
We are also with our camera woman, Jillian.
Hello everyone, I am Jiwan, the camera woman.
For today's vlog, we are going to talk about Dr. Jose Rizal.
So let's go!
Fun fact, Dr. Jose Rizal's last name means green pasture.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Alonso de Realonda, or Jose Rizal in short, was born in Calamba, Laguna on June 19, 1861.
He went to school at Ateneo de Manila, Universidad ng Santo Tomas and Universidad Central de Madrid.
Studied hard to be a doctor at Paris, Heidelberg, and Leipzig. These are some books that Dr. Jose Rizal created. No le tangere, El Filibus Turismo, Mi Ultimo Adios, Sobre la Indolencia de los Filipinos, Filipinas de Tradición Años, and A la Juventud Filipina.
Lately, Dr. Jose Rizal was arrested on July 6, 1892.
He was condemned by Governor General Eulogio Despujol to throw him away at Dapitan, Zamboanga.
Imprisoned at Fort Santiago, and after 1 week, on July 15, 1892, he was thrown away at Dapitan.
He was sentenced to death by the Spaniards in the way of a firing squad at Bagumbayan, or known as Luneta or Rizal Park, on December 30, 1896. Thank you for watching our vlog. I am Zoe.
I am Jared.
I am Jillian.
Thanks for watching our vlog.